Pakistan has been struggling with its worst ever economic crisis in decades. Though Pakistan has been modifying its policies according to the conditions laid down by IMF in an effort to get IMF loan to the tune of almost 6.5 billion, which is pending post the due diligence that the IMF team has recently concluded with the Pakistani officials. But the good news for Pakistan is that China and Iran have come forward to help the crisis hit Pakistan to come out of the financial collapse at this point of time. And as an interim measure, China has agreed to lend $700 million loan to shore up the Pakistan's foreign exchange reserves. This week, Pakistan is expected to receive 700 million new loan from China. The credit facility made to the state-owned China Development Bank will boost Pakistan's forex reserves by about 20% and comes as to unlock funds from a 6.5 billion bailout. China is already Pakistan's single largest creditor, with its commercial banks holding about 30% of its external debt. At the same time, even Iran is trying hard to promote the bilateral trade with Pakistan amid the financial crisis. Iran has established 6 border markets to promote trade with crisis hit Pakistan. The volume of bilateral trade at this point of time reached to an extent of around $2 billion, but it is expected to reach to almost $5 billion in next 6 months to 1 year period. Though trading is facing difficulty due to the absence of banking channels, but the visa policy between Iran and Pakistan got relaxed and progress is also being made in barter trade with Pakistan by Iran. On one side, with a new tranche of $700 million fresh loan to Pakistan, and the thrust on the increased bilateral trade between Iran and Pakistan. Though Iran and China have been acting as friends when Pakistan needed, but Pakistan's needs are not just a small quantum of a new tranche of loan of $700 million. Its requirements at this point of time, even from the short-term perspective, are to the tune of $6.5 billion, which is what Pakistan is expecting from IMF. Whether Pakistan succeeds or not, we have to wait and see. But the small chunks of reliefs coming from here and there are definitely going to keep up the hope alive on the part of Pakistan to receive a bigger bailout package in the nearby time. Thank you. Thank you very much.